How's it going, gamers? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do after you guys have built your gaming PC, and basically I'm going to try and walk you guys through downloading Windows and then downloading drivers for like your graphics card and then maybe downloading antivirus. So hopefully this video helps you, and let's cut to the actual tutorial. So after you guys have your PC built, everything's plugged in, it's all ready to be turned on, you guys are going to need a copy of Windows. Now, if you guys bought Windows, you likely have a USB with Windows on it already. It's like silver and has a little blue thing. That, or you guys have a disk with Windows on it. If you guys do not have a copy of Windows and you guys just have like the little activation code, then you guys are able to download it yourself and put it on a USB for free. You can technically download Windows for free, it just won't be activated, so you guys could use it, it'll just be a watermark. But now for the video's sake, we're just gonna pretend like you already have this. So go ahead, plug your USB or put the disk into the computer while it's off. And now we're gonna get started with the actual installation of Windows. So I already have mine plugged in into the back of the computer, and we're just going to turn it on. And you may be wondering why my case is made out of foam board, and that's a whole story. I have an entire video on this case. It's very interesting, but it works just like a normal computer. So assuming you guys have everything hooked up right and you actually have a hard drive and Windows installed on a USB, it should take you to a menu like this in a second. Power spec is not what you're gonna see, that's just because this is a power spec motherboard. This is what you guys should see whenever you put that USB in. So from here, it's pretty straightforward. We're just gonna click next a lot, install, and I'm gonna show you how to do this as fast as possible because there are just a lot of settings in here that you don't really need to worry about. So this is the terms and conditions. I accept, and we're gonna click next. Here, just click custom. So once you're here, it might look a little weird, and it's okay, I'm gonna walk you guys through it. I'm using an SSD that has had Windows installed on it before, so we have different partitions. So we're just going to delete them. So now since I only have one hard drive, only one showing up because I deleted all the partitions. If you guys are building a brand new PC with a new hard drive or SSD, you guys aren't gonna have to worry about that. So now just click on next. From here, you're almost done. It's gonna go through here for a bit. Depending on your computer specs, it may take longer or shorter. So I will meet you guys back whenever this is done. All right, so now we're just to the point where you have to set Windows up. Everything's technically installed. So if you're in the United States, click on the United States. What do you know? Once again, if you're in America, just click yes. And then I'm going to skip layout because we're trying to do this as fast as possible. So you guys have a few options here. You guys could set it up if you guys are connected to the internet now, but I personally am not connected to the internet, so I'm just gonna make an offline account. But if you guys already have a Microsoft account from like your past computer, go ahead, connect it to the internet. But for now, this is the fastest way to get through Windows. Just click I don't have internet, and it's gonna go here, continue with limited setup. Type in your name, this will be your profile. So this is where you'll enter in your password. I'm not gonna do a password because this computer is just gonna get taken apart in a few days anyways. So let's go ahead and just click next. All right, so there's a bunch of stuff here, and personally, I don't use like any of these. The only one that I use is location up there. So I'm just gonna get rid of most of those and then click accept, then not now. So once you guys are to this point, you guys want to connect to the internet because we're going to install drivers. Basically, all you have to do is update Windows. Now Windows is able to take care of almost all your drivers. So let's go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. All right, so down here, type in Windows. Give it a second. Now click on Windows Update. This is very important to do because when you guys first build your computer, sometimes some of the normal drivers just aren't installed yet. So this will make sure that most of the standard drivers are installed. There will be two potential drivers that you will have to download yourself still, and usually those come down to either your graphics card or like a Wi-Fi adapter. So first we're gonna get this updated, and then we'll come back and show you guys how to do the graphics card drivers if you guys have a graphics card. So while the computer's updating, I highly suggest that you guys download some sort of antivirus. Malwarebytes and ESET both have free scanners. Basically, they don't catch live things going on, but you can scan every like week or so or set it up automatically to scan through your files. So if you guys are doing Malwarebytes, just look it up, go to download, make sure you guys download the free version, and they're gonna give you some pop-ups like upgrade here or have a 14 free day trial of the premium package. Just skip all of that, you guys don't need that. unless if you guys are very concerned, like you're giving this to someone that doesn't quite understand technology and they're one of those people that like to click on all the emails that they get and all the links in their emails, you might want to get some better antivirus, but for just the normal person, this works pretty well. So as you guys can see, we're downloading drivers and the Windows update. So anyways, we'll come back in a little after all this is done and I'll show you guys how it's running. And then after that, we'll go through the whole graphics card ordeal. It's probably one of the most confusing parts if you guys haven't done it before, but it's not too bad. So anyways, I'll see you guys in just a little. Also, that is to be expected whenever you're downloading drivers, so don't freak out. All right, so now that it's all updated, you guys are able to update the drivers for your graphics card if you guys have one. So basically, you guys need to figure out if you guys have an NVIDIA graphics card or a Radeon. That's gonna change how you guys download the driver. Once you guys figure that out, I have 2 links down below. One for the NVIDIA program and then one for the Radeon program. So basically all you have to do is click on that link and download it. Then for NVIDIA, at least I'll have an example here. You make an account or log in and then you just download the update. It's super easy. If you have Radeon, it is very similar, but I'm not sure if you have to have an account like NVIDIA. But after you guys do that, your computer is basically ready to be used. You're able to download all your games and you're good to go. Anyways, that is exactly how you guys set up your computer after building it. I hope that this helped you. And if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. I'm going to be trying to look at all my comments to see if I could help you. And then we're probably going to have a ton of people also reading the comments, just scrolling through the video, and they might be able to help you as well. So anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button down below and consider subscribing for more PC content like this. And I'll see you guys on the next video.